Passi is considered to be one of the oldest Spanish settlements in Iloilo. It was organized as a pueblo or community settlement of natives in 1766 with Don Martin Saligumba as its first gobernadorcillo. It had been previously settled by three Malay brothers named Digon, Tukyab, and Umawang. According to popular legend, the name of Passi originated from a dialogue between Spanish conquistadors and an indigenous person. Conquistadors stumbled on a small hut by a river bank where an old woman was winnowing pounded rice. One of them, not knowing the woman's native language, asked her why they were. Not knowing their language either, she assumed they were asking what was in her basket, and replied, Passi, which means rice. From then on, the Spanish named the place Passi, which later evolved into the current name of Passi. Don Martin Saligumba. The founding of the present poblacion of Passi was attributed to Don Martin Saligumba. His notable title, Don, indicated his leadership and power over the group. In 1766, when the Spanish administration recognized the existence of Passi as pueblo, he became first Captain Basil Actual of this place. Under his regime, Passi started on its way towards progressive reforms. Albert Palek Perlas is a Passi City World War II local hero for his active participation in fighting the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. Attorney Stephen Palmares. Attorney Stephen Palmares is an accountant, lawyer, and politician, and currently the city mayor of Passi City. Mayor Palmares initiated development changes in our city. Many projects were implemented such as electrification of barangays, health centers, barangay bridges, multi-purpose centers, daycare centers, waiting sheds, livelihood, beautification of town plaza, construction of mini park, and many more. And Mayor Palmares accumulate to held the 18th National Jamboree here in Passi City. Passi City is a rice and sugar-rich area. It is the only component city and the largest province of Iloilo in terms of land area, population, and income. It is popularly called the Sweet City in the heart of Panay due to its vast pineapple plantation and annual output in food production. The topography of Passi City is relatively dominated by rolling hills and narrow valley plains. The flat land stretches alongside the Halaur and Lamunan rivers. It has a total land area of 25,139.13 hectares, making up 5.39% of the provincial land area of Iloilo. It is composed of 38 rural barangays and 13 urban barangays. It has a population of 88,873 people. The Department of Finance classified Passi as a fourth-class municipality in 1993. In 1995, it became a third-class municipality, and in 1996, it was classified as a second-class municipality. On January 30, 1998, it became the first component city of Iloilo after the President Fidel V. Ramos signed RA number 8469, and it was ratified on March 14, 1998. The Pintados de Passi Festival in Passi City is one way of celebrating the cityhood of Passi in March 1998. This festival is perhaps one of the best known and established festivals of the Visayas region that have evolved through the years. It has played a big part in the lives of the most Pasinhons. Here, performers adorned in traditional body tattoo with elaborate geometrical designs in their body, including their arms, legs, and torso, dramatizes stories in which the town's ancestral beings laid down every feature of the area, especially their way of life. Characterized by heavy and aggressive body movements, the dances seems to have developed independent of any external influences, as in the combat dances, folk plays, ritual actions, or character types. Historical or cultural sources are essential materials in sustaining a festival such as theirs. Kapistahan. Pasig City celebrates the feast of its patron saint San Guillermo de Ermita or Saint William the Hermit on February 10 along with the coronation of the Fiesta Queen. Midway is a family convenience one-stop shop and restaurant. It has become an emerging tourist attraction for both local and foreign visitors. It boasts of organic rich food choices taken straight from its farm with options like garden fresh salad and papaya shake. Agcararao Mountain View is a new tourist destination nestled in highlands of Barangay Magdungaw, Sitio Agcararao, Pasig City. The farm site is attractive and is seen to be a place where clouds freely dance, so the family has decided to convert their property into a flower and vegetable farm where groups and families of Pasig City and its neighboring towns